Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Messenger account.
So,
Let's
hello
begin. So here we are in Facebook, but first we need to deactivate our Facebook account first before we can deactivate our Messenger account. That is the step that you need to follow because there is no way to deactivate your Messenger account unless you deactivate your Facebook account first. So to deactivate our Facebook account, it's very simple. Follow my steps. So first tap here on the top right and then tap on settings and privacy, top settings right here, and from here tap on Meta Account Center, and from here you want to go into personal details, and from here go into account ownership and control, and from here go into deactivation or deletion, and from here select your Facebook account, and from here you want to go and select your deactivate account right here option and make sure it's selected and tap continue. And after that, you would need to input your password. So now after you have input your password, tap on continue so that you can proceed. And from here, you just need to choose any of the reasons where you're deactivating Facebook, any of them, and tap continue. And from here, just tap continue unless you want to automatically reactivate your account in the list of in a certain duration, then you can tap here and tap on continue if you don't want that. And now tap on deactivate my account so that your Facebook will now be deactivated. And as you can see, my account is now deactivated. Now it's time to deactivate our Messenger account. So go into your Messenger, and from here you want to tap on the top left button, and from here you want to go tap here on the settings button right there, and from here you want to go down until you see the Meta Account Center. So you want to tap on this one, see more in Account Center. And from here, you want to go into personal details again. And from here, go into account ownership and control again. And go to deactivation or deletion. And then here you can see the deactivated except Messenger. This is the time wherein you can deactivate your Messenger account. So tap on it. And from here, go deactivate your Messenger. Select this option and tap continue. And then you would need to input your password again. So after you have input your password, tap continue. And now, tap on deactivate Messenger, and just like that, your Messenger has been deactivated, as you can see in the bottom.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.